Feeling stressed? Sometimes the best remedy is something simple, visual, and soothing. These Kinetic toys blend science, art, and motion, bringing calm, focus, and a bit of fun to your desk or living room. They're not just toys. They're experiences that help you pause and breathe. Whether you're working, thinking, or relaxing, they fit right in. Each one offers a different kind of movement to capture your attention. If you enjoy discovering unique ways to unwind, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more calming and creative tech finds. Novotropes. Novotropes are spinning sculptures lit from within by strobe lights, creating the illusion of infinite movement. The shapes are based on the golden ratio and Fibonacci sequence, making them feel mathematical and mesmerizing. It's like watching moving art right on your desk. Each sculpture feels alive, even though it never actually moves on its own. You can pick from different figures and wood-based styles to match your space. They're great conversation starters, especially in creative workspaces. A gentle spin can turn a chaotic day into a peaceful moment. Flipo Flip. This small piece of metal flips and rolls across surfaces in surprisingly satisfying ways. Once you get the hang of it, it's fun to challenge friends or just zone out while flipping. Brass versions are heavier and easier to control than the lighter aluminum ones. It's a deceptively simple toy that tests your patience and precision. Start slow, and you'll notice how relaxing the rhythm becomes. Great for quick desk breaks or mental resets during a busy day. It's compact enough to carry anywhere and always ready to impress. Anti-gravity water drops. This looks like an hourglass, but instead of sand, water droplets float upward. You can even touch the drops. There's no glass. Some versions include humidifiers and air purifiers for added function. It's especially stunning in low light with its ambient glow. Great for adding a futuristic touch to your room decor. A fun, interactive way to relax and watch physics at play. Specs geode and magnetic toys. Strong magnets let you build all kinds of shapes. Shake them to form a ball or mold your own geometric creations. There are also magnetic stress balls and putty for fidgeting or building your own zen zone. They're perfect for creative minds and hands that love to stay busy. Endlessly reusable and totally mess-free. Ideal for workspaces, classrooms, or a calming moment at home. Moving sand art. Flip the frame and watch layers of sand fall, creating unique mountain-like patterns every time. You can control how fast it flows to match your mood. It's like having a piece of ever-changing scenery on your wall. No two patterns are ever the same, which keeps it fresh. It's both decorative and meditative, a great combo. Choose from different sizes and colors to suit your style. Marvelous marble. Run a sleek marble track under a glass dome. Give the marbles a push and watch them glide. A second version lets the ball fly freely using magnetic force, adding a magical twist. The smooth motion and sound are incredibly calming. It's like watching a mini roller coaster in slow motion. A great gift for thinkers, tinkerers, or anyone who needs to chill. Playable art, Lollipopter. This twistable toy transforms from a spiral shape to a spinning lollipop-like motion. It's visually satisfying and makes a great desk piece. The twisting motion is smooth and rhythmic, perfect for fidgeting. It comes in several vibrant colors to match your mood or workspace. Fun to use during meetings or breaks to reset your focus. It's part sculpture, part toy, and totally stress-relieving. Wannerson Fidget Spinner. Metal spinners with precise machining feel great in your hands. Smooth and clicky, they're oddly satisfying to play with. The dual-leaf design adds a stylish and balanced feel. Push the center for tactile feedback and a subtle click sound. Perfect for keeping your hands busy and mind at ease. A great pocket-friendly tool for calming nerves or boredom. Kinetic Spinning Top. A slightly bulky top, but it spins for over 30 minutes. It's a relaxing visual you can watch while working or unwinding. Its solid weight and balance make for an elegant spin. Long-lasting movement means less distraction, more meditation. Ideal for those who enjoy slow, steady motion. Just give it a spin and let it do the rest. Ono Roller. Just roll this metal piece in your hand. It's calming, strengthens your grip, and can double as a mini massager. made from smooth, aircraft-grade aluminum. It's great for fidgeting without drawing attention. Available in multiple colors, each with a sleek, matte finish. Keeps your hands occupied while easing stress or tension. Compact enough to carry and durable enough to last. Gravitrax Marble Track. A building set where you design marble tracks using ramps, curves, and even cannons. Great for exploring gravity and motion with endless setups. You can combine multiple kits for a mega marble system. Perfect for curious minds and hands-on learners of all ages. It's educational, fun, and deeply satisfying to watch. Each track you build offers a new challenge and result. Bike Chain Fidget Spinner. A bike chain fidget toy with ball bearings. It spins, flips, and feels like you're riding a tiny bike, right in your hand. Its compact shape fits easily in your pocket or bag. Built for smooth, repetitive motion that's calming and addictive. Comes in multiple colors to match your personal style. Great for fidgeting quietly during meetings or travel. Infinity Cube. A pocket-sized cube you can fold endlessly in different directions. Great for fidgeting during work or study breaks. Made from durable materials that handle constant flipping. It's silent, making it perfect for shared spaces or classrooms. Encourages mindfulness and keeps restless hands engaged. An easy way to stay focused without digital distractions. MechForce EDC Gyroscope. A hand spinner with multiple spinning parts and axes. Smooth, silent, and endlessly entertaining. Perfect for staying focused or easing tension. All three axes spin freely, creating endless play possibilities. Discreet enough to use anywhere without causing a stir. Feels incredibly solid and balanced in the hand. Ideal for tech lovers and fans of mechanical motion. Flynova Drone. A mini flying spinner that hovers, spins, and changes direction based on how you throw it. Built-in sensors and a soft design make it fun and safe to use indoors. It charges quickly and offers fun flight tricks with little effort. Safe for kids and adults with enclosed propellers. Works great in small rooms or open spaces alike. A fun alternative to screen time that gets you moving. Mesmo Globe and Mesmo Coin spinning desk toys that create hypnotic illusions as they turn. Some versions use holographic designs inspired by space, and others seem to float mid-air. They spin for minutes and are small enough to carry around. Watch the patterns shift and morph as they spin faster. A satisfying break from screens that draws your focus. Perfect for gifting or collecting. Each one is a work of art. Made from high-quality metal with a smooth finish. Forever spin. Tops inspired by the spinning top from Inception. These precision tops can spin for over 10 minutes. Each material gives a slightly different spin style, and they're perfect for collectors or desk decoration. They balance beautifully and glide effortlessly on a flat surface. A great way to practice patience and enjoy simple motion. Each top comes with its own unique finish and feel. And that wraps up our journey through motion, focus, and fun. Sometimes, peace comes not from silence, but from a quiet spin. These little gadgets don't just sit on a desk, they move with you. They invite you to pause, breathe, and enjoy the moment. Whether you're working, studying, or just unwinding, a small flick or twist can make all the difference. Stress fades, focus sharpens, creativity flows. That's the magic of Kinetic toys. Thanks for joining us. See you in the next video.